Middle fingers in the air, fuck a corn star. Fuck a corn star. Get it up. Fuck a corn star. Get it up. Fuck a corn star. Get it up. Fuck a get it up. Fuck a corn star. Fuck a corn star. Fuck a corn star. I say, shorty think she poppin', but I think she should know that bullshit she doing got her looking like a hoe. And homie over there, he gossip like a girl. I got 20 on his fitted for some shit he said he didn't, but I know he did. I put that on his kids. He a corn star. Yep.
In the building, Pops is in the building. Boom!
Keep the camera on Pops. He said the legend in the building. Keep the camera on Pops and won't scream no. What up? What up? Pop Vision, what's good? We here. What's good? I'm here.
No.
Let's talk about it. Brooklyn was good. Pop Vision is what it is. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? What it will be, what it shall be. And that's what it is. Not so for life. Yes, I bet that every day. Screen don't know. You know what I'm saying? We here. What's good?
Radio Planet TV.
For those that don't know, and I'm serious if you gotta be touched in the head if you don't know, Pops is in the building. Let them know who you are and what you do, bro.
Oh, shit. We might have to fucking be here for a whole nother show. Okay. I'll give you the quick rundown, you know what I'm saying? Where I'm looking at. I don't even know where I'm just look up. Alright, the name is Pops, you know what I'm saying? Protecting other people's space. There's a lot of things that go into that, but as far as the Pop Vision goes, you know what I'm saying? It just started out with me, just with a camera. My man Dog hit me with a camera. I had a party with Skino out in Jersey. The Mary Jane model. Shout out to the Mary Jane model.
Tore it down.
You know what I'm saying? Tore it down out there.
Shut the whole mall down.
Shut the whole mall down.
Partying inside a mall.
What?
Yeah. I said we got stories. You know what I'm saying?
Exclusives.
You know what I'm saying? God bless the dead. You know what I'm saying? My man Hud 6. I caught him on the joint one night outside of Quo, and you know what I mean? It was supposed to just be a 10-10-10, you know what I'm saying? Just a little taping, trying to get the Pop Vision going. I didn't even know what I was doing. Right. You feel me? Yeah. So I caught my dude outside Quo one night, and then you know what I'm saying? 3 days later, what was it? On the 13th, you know what I'm saying? God bless the dead, 5:15 a.m. Excuse me, I get tight. You know what I'm saying? My man, you know what happened. You know what I'm saying? So, but. You know what I'm saying? Hud 6 forever, you know what I'm saying? I love him like a brother. He is my brother. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you know, Hud was all about putting people in the right positions. You know what I'm saying? Pop Vision, you know what I'm saying, just came about, and then I just had to keep going with it. You know what I'm saying? Because it started out at a how you say, a somber time, or, you know, at a touching time. You feel me?
No doubt.
But then it turned to a whole bunch of niggas saying, all right, well, what's next? Yeah. You feel what I'm saying? Like, what else you got, Pop? And then I'm just popping up places. That's who I am. Pop, I'm here, I'm there, I'm everywhere. Niggas know. I'm in where we at right now. Where I'm at. Yeah. I'm somewhere, and I'm here. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I'm in the United States somewhere. Yeah. You know what I mean? Brooklyn niggas go everywhere. And then that's, like I said, Pop Vision. We just pull out the camera. You know what I'm saying? Shouts to Flip. Holla at me, the Flip brand. You know what I'm saying? Let's get this money. Bang. All day. Skino with the Flip. You know what I'm saying? We flip it. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, Pops. Yeah. Tell them 2011, what they got to look forward to coming into this year. Where and when will they see Pop's Vision popping up?
Oh, shit. Pop Vision is here you go again. Pop Vision is already stopping the blowing. Fuck up. Whatever you want to say. Shout out to that Afghan gooey. You know what I'm saying? They're smoking again. But they can find me, you know what I'm saying? You go to YouTube, what is it? YouTube.com/PopsOBS. OBS is Original Blunted Soldiers, you know what I'm saying? Those are my niggas, Bad Seed, Pumpkinhead, you know what I mean? That's a whole nother, see what I'm saying? Pop, it's long stories, bro. I go back to Tunnel, Cheetah, you know, we talking 94, 3, Envy, you know, crazy. But you can go there, you can hit me on Twitter at PopsNYC. You know, we got Gmails and all kind of Pops Vision at Gmail, Facebook.PopsVision or / or whatever it goes. You know what I'm saying? And just do something. You know what I'm saying? I'm up to 88 videos, dog. Like, this is all between, like I said, like the vision started.
Man, that was in like less than a month or two.
Unless I'm like real talk, let's break it down. Let's say from 10-13, God bless my nigga 6. You know what I'm saying? From 10-13 till now, it's approximately about 3 months or something. Up to 88 videos or virals or whatever you want to call it.
That's
I got almost 200,000 viewers or views or. So that's what I'm saying. It's like the focus is here, and they're coming up here fucking with y'all. It's just making it go everywhere. You know what I'm saying? Popvision.com, bang, bang, bang. You know, all that. You know. I plugged it in. Pop Vision.
And I'm telling you right now, if you didn't know, did the brother just say 88 videos later, you're sitting here with the man watching, he's telling you exactly where to find him. You need to go watch those videos. You need to get that bang bang in your head.
Bang, bang.
Trust. Alright? Yo, matter of fact,
what's up?
I heard you just said you getting ready to break out from somewhere and go somewhere.
Oh, well, yeah, you know, every Wednesday, what's that in the background, Ma? I like that in the background.
After party, baby. Sheek
Oh,
Loose.
yeah, Sheek Loose, my man Sheek, what up?
Yeah.
Now, every Wednesday we have Perfection, Billionaire Wednesdays, you know what I'm saying? My man Hollywood Chuck, DJ Clue, we got Big Captain Warden, Tone Bird, Team Nova, who else is up there?
Big shout out to Tone Bird.
Everybody, damn, you know, I'm drizzy right now. We got Jingle and Baby, my man Rhetoric Doe, Harlem was good. You know what I'm saying? And we just did every Wednesday, Billionaire Wednesday. You never know who you're going to see tonight. For instance, we got my man Bobby V. Bobby Valentino. Bobby Valentino will be at Perfection tonight. You know what I'm saying? Ladies, put on whatever. You know, it ain't that cold outside. I don't even got the dead animal with me tonight. So throw whatever on. Come on out. You know what I'm saying? When you get to the cashier, say Pop Vision. You know what I'm saying? Depending on what time you get there, is how your money rings. But say Pop Vision. You know what I'm saying? If you're getting it in, I'm there now. I'm officially there now. Like, I've been there. But now I'm there now, you know what I'm saying? I'm in there like bang, you know what I'm saying? Bang.
That's his residency.
Bang, bang. Yeah.
That's the whole residency right there. I'm saying it wrong.
You know what I'm saying? But, you know, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, you know what I'm saying? But Billionaire Wednesdays, every Wednesday, you know what I'm saying? We got another surprise guest coming through on Friday. I don't know if I'm legally able to say it yet, you know? But, you know,
We like exclusives.
You gotta follow me on Twitter for that. That Pops NYC, you know what I'm saying? Check me out on YouTube. I'll put it on there. Pops OBS, you know what I'm saying? Which I don't know if I can say it yet, but as of right now, every Wednesday we there. And we just do it, man. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So if you didn't listen, you got billionaires and bongs in the building at Perfections tonight. Trust me when I tell you, you want to be on that flip. Flip, where's the money? Where's the money?
All that. Throw some money at me. Niggas love to show me money, throw money at me. Watch the videos. It's 88 of them. You know what I'm saying? Everybody you want to see, I got the little...